Good morning to all our viewers from around the world. Today, we are delighted to show Canada's vibrant farming industry located in Dysart, Saskatchewan. Our focus is on Jumping Deer Creek Organic Enterprises, managed and operated by James. James has been immersed in the business since his youth, having graduated with a major in agriculture, specializing in animal husbandry. His passion lies in raising cattle, cultivated through extensive experiences in Argentina, Florida, and England, where he studied as a scholar of agriculture. During his tenure, assisting thousands of cows for large corporations, James diligently saved his earnings to establish his own farm. Initially modest, his farm began with a few cows and a small plot of land. Recognizing the importance of sustainability, he implemented organic grain cultivation to utilize cow waste for soil fertility. Over the years, James expanded both his farmland and cattle inventory. Annually, he auctions his cattle, specializing in cattle breeding. In this video, you will observe the diversity of James' cattle, reflecting his preference for mixed breeding over purebred. Among them, the white cows are Charolais, those with long horns are Texas Longhorns, and the black cows are Black Angus. Cattle birthing is strategically scheduled from April to May, with rare occurrences in June due to the absence of a corral, necessitating spring breeding. Bulls are separated from the cows after a 2-month mingling period in the field, starting in the second week of June, before being returned to the corral. Among the fields, you will notice numerous calves alongside their mothers, born predominantly in April. Since the onset of spring, James diligently tends to his cattle, supplementing their diet with hay bales, as the pasture grass is still in its early growth stages. Thank you to all our viewers for watching this video. If you have any questions, we will do our utmost to provide comprehensive answers. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. See you again. May you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.